Third quarter of the game.
Who is Soulja Boy? And what in the heck is that dance? Soulja Boy.
And the foul against number 17, blocking.
Right.
Soulja Boy. And as we keep going, here goes number 1, Kanyete with the ball. Will go attack that basket. Yes, sir. Shooting 2 points. On the other side, here goes Tansin. Locating Heredero. Outside jumper. No good. Outside the paint. Butata ang inabot naka 7 minuto at 18 segundo for the third quarter of this ball game. Here goes number 8, Tansil with the ball. Sa Gosoro shot clock. On the jumper, that's Lopez. Number 3, Chua with the ball for your team, Roma Santa. Offensa for your team, Roma Santa. And defensa for your team, Colabe. And Suso. Number 24 hits it, no good. Go again, that's good. 40 points.
When I do that, Soulja Boy, I let to the left and crank that thing out. I'm jocking on you.
We got 6 minutes and 43 seconds on the game clock. For the third quarter of this ball game.
Get the fight down.
Number 17, just pass. Here comes Tansil with the ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock.
You catch me at your
Laura fires, no good. Number 12, now even with the 12 seconds on the shot clock.
I crank it every day. Haters get mad.
To save it, that ball is saved. We get 12, 11.
I got me some baby.
And this also. Double foul against Tansil hits it, outside jumper, no good. Number 24. No way will catch that ball for your team, Roma Santa, locating number 11, grabbing his ball off the spin, almost rejected, but gets a foul along the way. On his first throw, running score 33-32. He hits it, no good. Address 32 sa may isang punto sa kabante nitong kupunan ng Roma Santa as number 11. On his second throw, Lopez. Now run for the defensive rebound, locating. And now here goes number 8, Tansil. Na-stumble down ball, out of bounds, Malak. Here goes Kanyete, push it up, yes sir, shooting 2 points. On the other side of the playing court, there goes Heredero with the ball, take out pass, 3-point attempt, that's short, 10 seconds on the shot clock, we got 9. Wait lang po. We got 5 minutes and 20 seconds to go. Number 17, Heredero with the ball. Kick out pass. Here goes Tansil. Aims it from way downtown. Bang! 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 4 3 points. We got 5 minutes and 4 seconds to go. Here goes number 3, Chua with the ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 4 minutes and 56 seconds to go. No way, hits it. That's good. 40 points. There goes numero 8. Tansil to the Tansil Lopez. And we got 4 minutes and 38 seconds to go. First throw is no good. And jumpers ready. Tansil on his second throw. Nope. And there's a whistle. A foul is called for wearing jersey 01, pushing. Lauron warning for fouled out and under penalty situation. Sir, under penalty situation.
Under pa lang.
Ito kasi. First throw is good. Diyan ka lang sir, baka basket yung second throw. We got 4 minutes and 36 seconds on the game clock. And number 24, Noe on his second throw, running score 38-35. It's at Lope. And that ball, or jump ball, out of position is pointed for your team. Wala ba substitution on the court? No way out, number 13 will check in. Ang KS of your team, Roma Santa, babalik sa ating palaruan. We got 4 minutes and 30 seconds to go. And as we keep going, he hits it, fires it, no good. Who's gonna get that ball? Don Seal shooting 2 points. We got 4 minutes and 15 seconds on the game clock. Our goes number 3, Chua with the ball, will go down with the defense. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Our goes the steal, number 8 on the way home, no good. Chua for the strong defensive rebound, 4 minutes to go. And a basket count at Micah. Bantang foul. We got a basket count. And foul 8 seconds, 3 minuto at 58 segundos for the third quarter. And that bonus throw is no good. And as we keep going, as we keep rolling, here goes number 17. Heredero will go down with the defense. Pensa locating Dancel mid-range. That's good. 40 points. We got 3 minutes and 35 seconds to go. There goes number 3 taking his time. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Off the shirt. Number 1 Cañete off the glass. That's good. That's good. 40 points. On the other side of the court, here goes number 8 with the ball. Locating Heredero, 12 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Pull-up jumper, that's connect. 2-pointer. Heredero shooting 2 points. We got 2 minutes and 53 seconds to go. And that sportsman-like foul is called. On minutes and 51 seconds on the game clock for the third quarter of this ball game. Running score yun nga, 42-41. Abang isang puntos lang at tabla na nga tayo. And second throw is good. Huh? Running score 40 lang shot clock. Running score 42-43. Abay, isang puntos na ang abate. We got 10 seconds on the shot clock. 9 to shoot. Number 8 attacks that hole. No good. Battle for recovery. Who's gonna get that basketball? And there's another whistle. May tawag tayo sa ibabaw. Foul against 0. Illegal use of hands. At 38 segundos. Running score 42-43 at tabla na tayo sa 43. We still got 2 minutes and 38 seconds on the game clock. 2 minuto at 38 segundos. That's in and out. Heredero will touch that ball, locating number 8. Here goes Dancil. And there's the whistle. Numero 8 is on the free throw area for possible 2 points. And first throw is good. We got 2 minutes and 31 seconds. 2 minuto at 31 segundos. Second throw, nope. He still got that ball, that basketball. Here comes the ball. That's good for 2 points. We got 2 minutes and 20 seconds to go. 2 minutes and 12 seconds, 14 seconds on the shot clock. There goes Dancil on the way home. Yes, sir. Timeout. Your team, Goma Santa called for a timeout, and according to our score sheet manager for the both team, we got 2 minutes to go. Capos locating number 24, kick out pass Cañete, mid-range. Yes, sir. Shooting 2 points. We got 1 minute and 20 seconds to go. There goes number 6. Oh, bounce out. That's good. 2 points. Artin contributing 2 points for your team, Molabe. And now here goes number 3. Can't get it to go, but there's a whistle. That is third personal and under penalty situation. We got 1 minute and 28 seconds to go. Numero 18, Hapson is on the free throw area for possible 2 points. And first throw is good. We still got 1 minute and 28 seconds. 1 minuto at 28 segundos. Second throw, no good. We got 1 minute and 20 seconds to go. Dancil with the ball, stops. Basket count with a foul. Wait lang. And under penalty situation. Both team is under penalty situation. 1 minute and 12 seconds to go. 1 minuto at 12 segundo. That bonus throw is no good. We got 1 minute and 7 seconds. Running score 46-52, 6 o kalahating dosena ang abante nitong kupunan ng Molabe. At sa pagpapatuloy, numero 24, kay numero 25, Combinaciones, that's good for 2 points. We got 51 seconds to go. "14 seconds on the shot clock, 44 seconds on the game clock. Dancil aims it, no good. We got 35 seconds to go. Capos outside jumper, nope. That ball just bounces on the rim. We got 22 seconds to go. 12 seconds on the shot clock, 16 seconds on the game clock. 8 seconds on the shot clock, 12 seconds on the game clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. We got 7 seconds on the game clock. And 24 shot clock violation. 4, 3, 2. And that's the end of the third quarter.